Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be across the world. I'm very happy to be here today, to be back here. This is Lasojani Biz Talk. Okay, what I have to share with you today is very special. I will be talking on how to turn your phone to money making machine. How to turn your phone to money making machine. Financial technology has advanced to the level whereby you need to turn your mobile device, your mobile phone, to a money making machine. But it is quite unfortunate today that our phone, majority of people using smartphone, their phone tends to be a liability rather than to be an asset onto them. You subscribe, you buy data, you do everything on your social media, but unfortunately you are not making money. You're not having any return from it. But in this video, I will show you how you can start making money online with your mobile device. That is, start making US dollars every 2 hours on your phone. How to start earning US dollars with your phone every 2 hours. All right, and we'll be talking on COTP new update, that is cryptos over the counter platform update. So this is a platform whereby you make money every 2 hours. I will give you the details information, and now explore AI in wealth creation. We know that we are in the world of financial technology advancement. For that reason, you need to explore artificial intelligence in wealth creation. This is the time to work smarter, not to work harder. Okay, all right. So now let me tell you that before I go deep into this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojani Biz Talk. For that reason, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I want you to subscribe now, because in Lasojani Biz Talk, I review online investment platform.
The best deals on tech.
My sincere review. I give you my sincere recommendation. Okay, you can browse through the channel. These are the ways whereby I share with you my online ways of making money. So every content here is for financial education, not for financial advice, because you need to be responsible for your action. You can also do your own due diligence research before you jump into any of this business. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is how to turn your phone to money making machine. Start making US dollars every 2 hours on your phone. So for that reason, let me quickly take you to the app here. So this is COTP. COTP means crypto OTC platform, that is cryptos over the counter platform. All right, what is it that they do here? So in COTP, they trade USDT. USDT is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent in price with US dollars. So when you are earning USDT, that means you are also earning US dollars. So how are they doing it? This is like an arbitrage platform. Arbitrage means a process whereby you buy simultaneously from a market and you sell to another market, to another place, and you capitalize on the price difference, which will serve as a home profit. All right. So the artificial intelligence that is embedded in crypto OTC trading platform is going to scan the world market. It's going to scan the crypto market and attach you with a buyer, and it will also do the same. That is, it is also sell back within within the time required. That is within 2 hours, and after that, both your profit and your capital will be in your wallet address. So let me show you how it goes. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to register. So don't worry, I got you covered, because you will need the invitation or the activation code. So just check the description box of this video for that. So I'm going to put there the link to register and the activation code. So after that, you need to come to the mine session here. You click on mine button here in the right bottom of your screen. You click on mine here, and now this is the new information, the new update, the latest update from COTP, and this is another advancement to show that COTP, they are truly into business and they really knows what they are doing. Now let me read system notification. COTP has officially obtained the financial regulatory license issued by FinTrack, license number M220069755. Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Center of Canada. FinTrack is the regulatory and issuing authority of the MSB license and also a financial intelligence agency in Canada. You can see this is another development from this company called COTP, which give us the assurance that truly they are genuinely registered under government authorities to carry out financial operation. Okay, so if you are still contemplating to join COTP, this is another proof that they are really into crypto trading. Okay, though you are entitled to your opinion because you must be responsible for your action. Okay, but this is another proof to show to you that truly they are genuinely registered. All right, so now let's move to the other thing here. Then you need to do your identity authentication. You just need to upload your ID card. You have a selfie with your ID card, then you post it and it will be verified within the shortest period of time. Then you need to recharge, that is, you need to fund your account. So when you click on fund, you are going to see the alphanumeric code, that is the wallet address there. So then you fund it with the amount that you are capable of. The minimum recharge amount here is $9. Okay, so you can fund it with any amount that you feel it's safe for you. All right, so that is how to go about it. And then for you to trade, you need to come to the transaction all. It is down here. You click on transaction all, you click on it, and you click on immediate competition for others. So right now I have 213 in my total assets, and in the transaction place I have 212. So after the completion of this trade, everything that I have here in the transaction is usually drop to my wallet balance. So then I can start a fresh trade. All right, actually you are not the one trading, it is the system that is trading for you, but you just need to initiate the trade. All right, so you click on immediate competition for others, you click it, but my balance is lower than 5, so it won't go. So when you click it, the system will scan the market and it's going to connect you with a buyer. So is you repeat the process until what you have in your wallet balance is lower than 5. All right, so and after 2 hours the transaction will have been completed. Then you come back to start the process again. So you can do this 12 times in a day and you can make up to 3% of your capital. So you need to be diligent with this. So COTP is not a platform whereby you just fund your account, you put your money there and you go and sleep. No, you need to work it out. Success is not free. All right, so you do this every 2 hours. And besides, there are some information right there out there telling people to submit their username, their login details, so that they can connect it with a robot that will trade automatically for them. If you should try that, I want to say that you are your own and the risk behind that will be incurred by you alone. So it's a thing that you can set your alarm for every 2 hours and you trade. It takes you less than 2 minutes to complete a trading session. All right, so there's no big deal in this. You are not the one trading, you are just the one to initiate the trade. All right, so this is how it goes, and you can earn up to 100% of your capital in a month, provided you trade diligently, provided you make like 9 to 10 rounds of trade every day. So you can make up to 100% of your capital in a month, even more than that. All right, so this is a way whereby you can be making money online. You can turn your phone to money making machine. It's gone are those days whereby you just make your phone, you watch film, you browse the internet, you check the social media, you laugh, you have fun with it. But now you can make it a full-time working workshop for you. You can make your phone a money making machine for you. So you need to start to wake from your slumber. You need to do the right thing so that you can get the right results. So this is ways whereby thousands of people have been making money online, including me. I'm a living testimony. You can see in my, let me show you the details of fund here. The details of fund here. You can see I started with $50 on the 11th of March 2022, and in a week after, that is 18th of March 20, I withdrew 60. So that means I I earned an extra $10 on it in a week. In a week. All right. So then same day I deposited $150 on the 18th of March 2022, and right now see what I have. 18th of March, today is 9/29, that is 11 days ago. So right now I have 213. You can do the mathematics to see how much I have made and to know if truly you can make 100% of your capital in a month. All right, in a month. So let's say in 10 days uh I've made 50 63. I have made $63 in 10 days. So that means in 30 days I will be making 63 times 3. That is almost 200, even more than 200, because I skipped some trading session. All right. So you can do more. You can do more. You can earn 200% of your capital in a month. So this is one of the ways whereby I have been making money online, and I think it's worth sharing. All right. This is where I'm going to stop this video for today. If you think it is very, very meaningful, useful, and helpful to you, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, as it can be the needed information for financial turnaround for that friend of yours. Okay. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very, 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 very important. You click on the notification bell, set it to all notification, and also share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching once again. Until the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.